Hello everyone, how are you all? I think you all are well. On this platform, we learn English literature, and today our topic is to start a new story, that is The Expert Detective, that is written by Sharda Dwivedi. Okay, so this story belongs to class 7 of book Honeycomb, textbook in English class 7. So let us start, and today in this video we will discuss the summary of The Expert Detective, that is written by Sharda Dwivedi. So let us start. This is our book Honeycomb, textbook in English class 7, and today's our chapter is Expert Detectives. So we are going to start summary of this chapter, summary of this story, uh, Expert Detective. Maya, actually, in this story, a lot of character is involved in this story, and Maya is also a character of this story, and a boy named there Nishad, and a person whose name is Ramesh, and a person whose name is Mr. Nath. Actually, Mr. Nath is a mystical person, mystical man. So they are Maya and Nisad were talking about them. So Maya, a girl of 10, and her brother Nisad, a boy of 7, were very curious about one Mr. Nath who had been living at Shankar house for over an year and was there house for over an year and a mother's patient. He was very lonely and thin man and looked starved. Maya was of the opinion that he was a criminal on the run and had lots of money stashed somewhere in his room, while Nishad, on the other hand, was considerably and possibility of him being just a poor, friendless soul who had no proper means to sustain himself. There was something peculiar and strange. One of their marvels went to into Mr. Nath rooms, and to extract in it children went there. From once they had a look at Mr. Nath, and since began debating about him and his possible profession, Maya interpreted the burn marks on his face, the police to turn him out of his house. Nisad bought it to be too far-fetched, though he did not have much in defense of the man. On the Monday after their mamma's birthdays, it means that was the day of their mama birthday. It's her mother's birthday, and as Maya had to spend that day with his school friend, Nishad went to Mr. Nath's room alone and offered him a chocolate bar, considering him emaciated states. Okay? When he later told of his encounter with the man to Maya, she was disappointed that she missed it but wanted to know wanted to know more about whatever else her brother had found out. Nisad had a talk with Ramesh, who carried food from the restaurant to the strange man's room, and food out that every Sunday a talkative, tall, fair, stout, and be spectacled man came to visit Mr. Nath. He also found out that Mr. Nath, through did not care what food was brought to him, tipped Ramesh well. Maya interpreted it all as a great conspiracy and saw that be a spectacled man as a complice to Mr. Nath, visiting him to give part of the money they had looted together. Nishad wondered at his sister's imaginations and thought Mr. Nath quite ordinary. Maya rejected Nishad's idea further, adding that many criminals are usually ordinary looking. The next day, their school was to reopen after the summer holidays. Okay, so Maya took a paper and decided to note down, note down the development in the mystery of Mr. Nath's identity. She saved it with her brother and talked about various points like being a steward to Mr. Nath, his not receiving any mail, even ever his unfriendly nature. Okay, having just one friend, a possible accomplice, and so on. Nisad counted Maya at various points, but was constantly put down by her, who just wanted to prove that Mr. Nath was a criminal. Nishad that Nishad did not like this attitude and asked Maya to stop always referring to the man as a criminal. Maya pointed out the futility of all their snooping. If it was not so, but Nishad said that it was not necessary for the man to be a criminal. For him to want to know about him, he stormed out of the room, saying that he would become the lonely man's friends. Maya noticed his advantage, adamant talk on the matters, and that her theory he had no effect on him. So, my dear student, this is our summary of this chapter, The Expert Detective, written by Sarda Dwivedi. From that, this story is taken from the Broken Flute. So, thank you and have a nice day.